Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you've made real money overnight without doing anything. Sounds unbelievable, right?
Well, what if I told you that there's a completely legal and effortless way to earn passive income every single day? Just by installing an app on your Android, iPhone, or PC. Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm revealing a powerful method that most people don't even know about. This app allows you to make money while your device just sits there doing nothing. Now, before you start thinking, this sounds like a scam. Let me tell you, this is 100% legit. It's been tested, reviewed, and actually pays users worldwide. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start making up to $10 or even more using this app without any investment, skills, or hard work. And the best part? It's completely free to use. So, if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash on autopilot, keep watching till the end, because I'll also show you how to withdraw your money quickly and easily. Alright, let's talk about how this works. There's an app that allows you to earn money just by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. What does that mean? Think about it like this. When you're not using your full internet speed, this app safely shares a small portion of your excess bandwidth with its network. In return, you get paid for it. Now, before you worry about security, this app is 100% safe and secure and doesn't access your personal data. It only uses your extra internet to help companies with market research, data collection, and other legal purposes. And the best part? It works on Android, iPhone, and even Windows and Mac PCs. Let me show you exactly how to set it up on Android first. Now, if you're using an Android phone, setting up this app is super easy. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Click the download link in the description below and install the app from the official website. Do not search for it on the Play Store, as it's only available through the official link. Step 2. Open the app and create a free account using your email or Google Login. Step 3. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard showing your earnings. Now, just turn on the app and let it run in the background. That's it. Now, your phone is making money for you 24/7. Okay, now the big question. How do we reach the $10 mark? The amount you earn depends on 3 factors. Your internet speed, faster connections earn more. How long you keep the app running, the more uptime, the better. Your location. Some regions pay higher rates. On average, users earn between $5 to $30 per month just by letting the app run. But let me show you a few tricks to boost your earnings and reach $10 even faster. If you want to reach $10 quickly, here are some pro tips that can help. Tip 1. Use multiple devices. If you have an extra phone, tablet, or laptop, install the app on all of them to double or triple your earnings. Tip 2. Keep your device online 24/7. The longer your device stays connected, the more you earn. Use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data to maximize profits. Tip 3. Refer friends and family. This app has a referral program where you earn extra money for every person who signs up using your link. Tip 4. Use a PC along with your phone. This app runs on Windows and Mac too. So, if you use it on both your phone and computer, you'll earn money even faster. By following these simple strategies, you can easily hit $10 in no time. Now, I know many of you are thinking, is this really legit? Can I trust this app? The answer is yes. This app has been reviewed by thousands of users and has legitimate payment proofs. It does not access your personal data. It only uses a small portion of your unused internet. Payments are processed quickly via PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards, But let's be real. This won't make you a millionaire. It's just a simple way to make extra cash without any effort. How to withdraw your earnings. Bank. Once you've made at least $5, you can withdraw your money easily. Here's how to do it. 1. Open the app and go to the payout section. 2. Choose your preferred payment method: PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift card. 3. Click Withdraw, and within a few hours, your money is in your account. So, there you have it, an easy way to earn passive income on Android, iPhone, and PC. Just install the app, let it run in the background, start making real money with zero effort. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more easy money-making tricks. Let me know in the comments. Will you try this method? Drop a emoji if you're ready to start earning.